up, guys? It's Will at Jordan Bikes, and look what I've got for sale. It's an Harley Davidson Breakout. This one's one of the new ones, 1745cc engines. These bikes let guys like me look cool, and I'm cool already. So I'm like the Fonz on this bad boy. Anyway, give you some facts and figures on it. It's only done 244 miles. Absolute belter, 2018. What do they come with? First of all, you'll see it. It's got the LED headlight on this. This one's got upgrades of the Vance Hines pipes. Sounds absolutely amazing. We'll get to that in a second. Finished off in like a anthracite grey. All the instruments are integrated on these, so it looks absolutely bobby dazzling. This one has got the brake lights integrated into the back as they all do. So I'll just show you them. So in the indicators, it also does the brake lights as well. I'll stick them on as well, just so you can see them. However, biggest thing on an Harley Davidson, how does it sound? We'll have a check now. Booyah! What a badass bike this is. Anyway, guys, enough of me talking about it. All you need to do, pop down to us, come and see it in person. Just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.